Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to take a look at one of our most recent builds that we did here at the shop. This is a 2016 Yamaha Drive 1 that we built for a customer. This cart got stripped all the way down to the bare frame, which we then blasted and painted red to match our new custom painted Havoc body kit. Then we installed a fully built Predator 670 along with a Jake 6-inch long travel A-arm style lift kit. This cart also got a nice set of 22-inch tall tires on 12-inch wheels. We also installed a 40-amp alternator kit to be able to run all the accessories that the customer wanted to put on this cart. We also installed a set of our high-speed gears in the rear axle of this machine to be able to get some more speed out of it without having to run so many RPMs on the engine. The Havoc body kit does come with LED head and tail lights, but we went ahead and installed the upgrade light kit as well to give this cart turn signals, brake lights, and a horn. We also installed the Rock side mirror kit that has the turn signals built into them as well. Then we installed a Genesis 300 rear seat kit with the built-in cooler. We also added a carbon fiber dash cover that gives you lockable storage compartments. Then to top everything off, we added the extended top kit along with a tinted folding windshield. Now we went through every single nut and bolt on this entire cart and went back together with all new components. So this is like a brand new cart. Now while this did turn out to be a very expensive build, this cart looks great and it's a ton of fun to drive. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.